Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this session, we are going to discuss properties of triangles examples before exercise 10b in Mathematics 1A paper in Junior Intermediate. Let us have a discussion. The first question, if A, A1, A2, A3 are the areas of in circle and x circles of a triangle respectively, then show that 1 by root a1 plus 1 by root a2 plus 1 by root a3 equal to 1 by root a. So area of circle means a equal to pi r square. Generally we know that. But here x circle, in circle are their relation here. So now if small r, comma r1, r2, r3 are the radii or the in radius, that is small r, in radius means, and x radii, plural word radii of the circles, whose areas are respectively, whose areas are a comma a1 comma a2 comma a3 respectively. After that, one area you can write it. Then small a equal to capital A equal to area of triangle, area of circle means pi r square. No? So A is related to in circle. So pi r square. Similarly, A1 equal to pi r1 square. A2 equal to pi r2 square. A3 equal to pi r3 square. After that, we want root of A, root of A1, root of A2, root of A3. So, I am calculating root A equal to root pi r square. So, it will become root pi into r. Root A1, root pi r1 square. So, root pi into r1. Root A2, root of pi r2 square equal to root pi into r2. Root a3 equal to root of pi r3 square, root pi into r3. From this, after getting up these values, what we have to do? Consider LHS. Now, consider LHS, that means 1 by root a1 plus 1 by root a2 plus 1 by root a3. 1 by root a1 value is what? Root pi r1 only, no? Root pi r1 separate, plus 1 by root pi r2 plus 1 by root pi into r3. So from here, 1 by root pi take common. 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. We know that in the previous sessions we discussed that 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 equal to 1 by r. 1 by root pi into 1 by r. We have that formula. We have 1 by r equal to 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3. In properties of triangles, we have this result. So now substitute there. We will get 1 by root pi r. Root pi r means here root a only, no? So root a. Hence, proved. This is LHS. This is LHS. This is RHS. Therefore, conclusion step. Therefore, 1 by root a1 plus 1 by root a2 plus 1 by root a3 is equal to 1 by root a. Hence proved. This is the required result. Next question. In triangle ABC, if AD, BE, CF are the perpendiculars drawn from the vertices A, B, C to the opposite sides, show that 1 by AD plus 1 by BE plus 1 by CF equal to 1 by R, which is, and the second one, AD into BE into CF equal to ABC whole square by 8R cube. One by one we will discuss. First, you have to draw the rough figure according to the question. See, consider a triangle. This is A, B and C. AD is the perpendicular. AD is the perpendicular. So from in the solution, consider a triangle ABC. After that, AD is, from the figure, AD is perpendicular to the BC. Clearly we are observing that. Therefore, the area of triangle we can write it as half into base. Base is BC here. BC into height AD. What is BC? BC in previous discussions I told that it is equal to small a. BC is equal to small a. And AC is also small b. And AB is also equal to small c. So now that is equal to half into C into AD. Sorry, BC means small a into AD. From that, 2 into delta is equal to A into AD. From that we want AD only, no? So AD can be written as AD is equal to 2 delta by small a. Not only AD, BE also. They are asking BE. See, this is the another perpendicular to the side AC and CF. This is E, this is F. So similarly, the area of triangle we can write it as delta equal to half into side considering AC into BE altitude. That implies that is equal to half into AC means small b into BE. So that implies 2 delta equal to B into capital BE. So that implies that capital BE is equal to 2 delta by small b. Since here BE is perpendicular to the AC. Similarly, next CF is perpendicular. CF is perpendicular to the AB. Therefore, the area of triangle half into base is here AB into CF. That is equal to half into AB means small c into CF. That implies cross multiply 2 into delta. 2 into delta. So 2 delta is equal to C into CF. So from this, CF make as a subject. CF is equal to 2 delta by C. After getting up these values, AD, BE and CF. Now consider 1 by AD plus 1 by BE plus 1 by CF. Now consider Now first one, LHS 1 by AD plus 1 by BE plus 1 by CF equal to 1 by AD value we got it as 2 delta by A plus 1 by 2 delta by B, 1 by 2 delta by C. So which is equal to denominator of denominator numerator, no? A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta plus C by 2 delta. Take common 1 by delta from all, you will get A plus B plus C. Since we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 2S na, so which is equal to 1 by 2 delta into 2S. Delta 2 to get cancelled, S by delta. S by delta is equal to SR. So SS cancel 1 by R. That only they are asking to prove. Therefore, conclusion step. Therefore, 1 by AD plus 1 by BE plus 1 by CF is equal to 1 by R. Hence proved. First question is over. We will move to the next question. Second one, LHS AD into BE into CF, which is equal to, what is the value of AB? AD value is, we got it as 2 delta by A into 2 delta by B into 2 delta by C. That is equal to, so now 2 delta into 2 delta into 2 delta, 8 delta cube divided by ABC. But they are asking to prove ABC whole square by 8R cube now. So 8 by ABC we can take separately and delta cube. What is the value of delta? In previous classes we discussed that since the value of delta is equal to ABC by 4R. So ABC by 4R. That is the value of delta. So now substitute in place of delta ABC divided by 4R. So now 8 by ABC, ABC whole power 3 whole cube divided by 4 power 3 is 64 into R cube. So one of the ABC's get cancelled here, square will come, 8 ones are 8 8s are. So which is equal to ABC whole square divided by 8R cube, which is required RHS. Therefore, conclusion step. AD into BE into CF is equal to ABC whole square divided by 8R cube. Hence proved. We'll move to the next one, ma. The next question. Show that R plus R3 plus R1 minus R2 equal to 4R cos B. First, R plus R3 consider. After that, R1 minus R2 consider. Before writing these R and R values, we can write it. R is equal to 4R into sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Small r means all are sin. R3 means only last term will get sin. 4R cos A by 2, cos B by 2, sin C by 2. You remember that here R3 means third term only will get sin. So now consider R plus R3. R plus R3 equal to, adding these two now, 4R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2 plus 4R cos A by 2, cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. In these two terms, 4R sin C by 2 you take common. 4R sin C by 2 take common. So the rest of the terms sine b by 2, sorry, a by 2, sine a by 2, sine b by 2, plus 4r sine c by 2 means remaining cos a by 2, cos b by 2. It is in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, cos of a minus b formula. 4r into sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. Till here understand all of you? Yeah. Therefore r plus r3 you put as some equation, no need to equation, just you have to put it in box. Yes. Now consider r1 minus r2. Before that, r1 and r2 only, no? So r1 formula write it, r2 formula write it. r1 means first one will get sine. So r1 is equal to 4r sine a by 2 remaining cos b by 2 cos c by 2. r2 second one will get sine, 4r cos a by 2 sine b by 2 cos c by 2. After that, consider here r1 minus r2, no? Here also consider r1 minus r2, which is equal to r1 4r sin a by 2 cos b by 2 cos c by 2 minus 4r cos a by 2 sin b by 2 cos c by 2. So take common 4r cos c by 2. 4r cos c by 2 here and here it is there. So 4r cos c by 2 take common. You will get sin a by 2 cos b by 2 minus cos a by 2 sin b by 2. This bracket value, if you observe that, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So sin of a minus b, 4r into cos c by 2 sin of a minus b. Therefore sin a by 2 minus b by 2. So therefore the value of r1 minus r2 equal to 4r into cos c by 2 into sin of a minus b by 2. Now consider, so both the values here we got already. This is some equation 1 only can take better. Equation 2. Now adding 1 and 2 you will get LHS. LHS is equal to equation 1 plus equation 2. So now r plus r3 plus r1 minus r2 equal to, what is r plus r3? 4r into sin c by 2. Observe carefully. Here I am writing this value. Into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. This is the value of r plus r3. Next r1 minus r2 value, this value. Plus 4r cos c by 2 into sin of a by 2 minus b by 2. Observe carefully. Take common 4r from these two. 4r if you take common. Yeah. I think everything is clear now. 4r take common, sin c by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2 plus cos c by 2 sin of a by 2 minus b by 2. So this bracket value is in the form of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin of a plus b. So we can write it as 4r into sin of a plus b. Now a value is c by 2 plus b value is a by 2 minus b by 2. So which is equal to 4r into sin of, take LCM, to a c plus a minus b. Since in triangle ABC a plus b plus c is equal to 180. So we want a plus c here. A plus c is equal to pi minus c. In place of c plus a, pi minus c, you have to write it. Therefore, you can write here also directly. So 4r into sine of pi minus, so here my b is not c, it is b, pi minus b. So pi minus b, already b is there, by 2. So which is equal to 4r into sine of pi minus 2b divided by 2, which is equal to 4r into sine pi by 2. 2b by 2 means b. Sine of pi by 2 minus theta, cos theta. Sine of pi by 2 minus b equal to cos b. Therefore, 4r into cos b, which is required RHS. This is LHS. Hence proved. See here, LHS is equal to RHS. We'll move to the next question, dear students. So now, next question. In triangle ABC, if R1 equal to 8, R2 equal to 12 and R3 equal to 24, find A, B, C. So we know that whenever R1, R2, R3 values are there, we need to calculate R value also. So given R1 equal to 8, R2 equal to 12 and R3 equal to 24. We have 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now substitute these values, which is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. For all LCM is 24 only, no, 8, 12, 24. 24 is the LCM. So 8 3s are plus 12 2s are 24 1s are. Therefore 1 by R equal to 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 by 24, which is equal to 6 1s are, 6 4s are. That implies 1 by R equal to 1 by 4, that implies R is equal to 4. We got the value of R. After reaching the value of R value we know that R1, R2, R3 also we know that, and one more formula we have, delta square equal to R into R1 into R2 into R3, which is equal to R value is 4 into R1 value is 8 into R2 value 12 into R3 value 24. So delta square equal to, here we have to do that, 4 into 8, you can keep like this only, 12, 24 can be written as, see here, 24, 12 into 2. 12 into 2. So after that what we have to do is, 4 into 2 is also 8 na? So 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 8, 12 into 12. So delta square equal to 8 into 12 whole square, is it right? 8 square into 12 square. So remove that squares both sides. So delta is equal to 8 into 12, which is equal to 96. Therefore delta equal to 96. We got the value of delta. Delta and R value, if you know, R is equal to delta by S. We have formula again. R is equal to delta by S. Delta value is 96 by S value we don't know. R value we know that. R value is 4 now. So that implies that 96 by 4 equal to S. That implies 4 table. 4 2s are 8. So 1 will be there, 4 4s are. S is equal to 24. After getting the value of S, R is equal to delta by S. That implies delta value is 96, S value we don't know, which is equal to R value 4. So S and 4 we interchange. S we can take this side and 4 we can take here. 96 by 4 which is equal to S, 24. 4 4s are 4 2s are 8. 1 will be there, 116. 4 4s are. S value we got it. Now R1 they are asking. Sorry. A, B, C we need to calculate now. What is the R1 value we have here? R1 is equal to 8. We know that, or we have formulas. R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. We need to calculate S, A value, B value, C value. So that implies that R1 is what? R1 is equal to 8. Delta value is 96 divided by S minus A, 24 minus A. Now, 24, 8 ones are 8 12s are. 12 8s are 96 only now. So, cross multiply. 24 minus A equal to 12. That implies A equal to 12. We got the value of A simply. R2 equal to delta by S minus B. That implies R2 value is 12 equal to 96 divided by 24 minus B. 12 ones are 12 8s are. So that implies cross multiply 24 minus B equal to 8. That implies B equal to 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8 means what? 16. B value also we got it. Next, R3 equal to delta by S minus C. That implies R3 value is 24. 24 equal to 96 divided by 24 minus C. That implies 24 ones are 24 fours are. So 24 minus C equal to 4. That implies C is equal to 24 minus 4, 20. C value is 20. Therefore, the values of A, comma B, comma C are 12, 16, 20. That is A equal to 12, B equal to 16 and C is equal to 20. Another important question. Show that AB minus R1 minus R2 by R3 equal to BC minus R2 by R2 R3 by R1, CA minus R3 R1 by R2. So here this is a very lengthy question. First we will prove that AB minus R1 R2 by R3 value is some value. Then similarly we can say that the remaining also. So now consider numerator. In the first term consider AB minus R1 R2 divided by R3. In this numerator, calculate first numerator value. In this term, numerator value AB minus R1 R2. Now, take AB minus R1 R2 is equal to, what is AB value here? A value is from sine rule, 2R sine A. B value 2R sine B minus R1 R2 value. Just now we discussed na. R1 means first term will get sine, remaining cos. Keep bracket 4R sine A by 2, remaining is cos. Cos B by 2, cos C by 2. And R2 value also write it. R2 value 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. After that, now simplification from here, 2R into 2R 4R square. Sin A can be written as 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. So first you write it sin A sin B only. First sin A sin B, like this you can write it. Minus, from these bracket values, 4R is there, no? 4R, here 4 you can leave like this. 4R into R only you can take, 4R square you can take separate. After that, cos C by 2, cos C by 2. I will make a mark, cos C by 2, cos C by 2. Therefore, cos square C by 2, that also separate. Cos square C by 2. So, the remaining terms, what I am doing is, here 4 is there, no? One of the two I am taking, sin A by 2 here. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Sin A by 2. And here sin B by 2. Sorry, cos A by 2 is also there, no? 2 sin A by 2. Cos A by 2. Cos A by 2 take better. Into next Sin b by 2, here sin b by 2 is there. Here one of the 2 is no need, 2 is enough. 2 into sin b by 2 into cos b by 2. Cos b by 2. Here cos b by 2 is there. Once again I'll explain. 4r into 4r is 16r square. So 4r, only r I am taking, 4r square, that is over. Cos c by 2, cos c by 2 is cos square c by 2. Next here 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Sin a by 2, cos a by 2 I am taking as one term. And keep another term. 2 here, one more 2 is there. Sin b by 2 and cos b by 2. So from here, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 is sin a. 2 sin b by 2 cos b by 2 is sin b. So which is equal to 4r square sin a sin b minus 4r square into cos square c by 2. This bracket value is sin a. This bracket value is sin b. So from these two, 4r square sin a sin b take common. Here 1 minus cos square c by 2. We know that 1 minus cos square c by 2 equal to 1 minus cos square c by 2 is equal to sin square c by 2. So which is equal to 4r square sin a sin b. This value is sin square c by 2. This is the value of, if you want I'll write formula, those who are not able to. 1 minus cos square c by cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. No, that by using that formula only I am writing here. I think easy to understand. So therefore the value of AB minus R1 R2 is now R3 denominator. R3 value is R3 is equal to 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Cos R3 means, now calculating AB, now calculating the term whatever we consider now, AB minus R1 R2 divided by R3. AB minus R1 R2, what value we got it there? So AB minus R1 R2 is this value. So 4R square sin A sin B sin square C by 2 divided by R3 value 4R into cos A by 2 cos B by 2 into sin C by 2. So one of the sin C by 2 will be okay, cancel, we will get it, one of the sin C by 2, and even 4 R also cancel, that is equal to, in the next step, or sin A, in denominator cos A by 2 is there, no, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, again you have to write it. Sin B, 2 sin B by 2 into cos B by 2. Already sin C by 2 is there. Total divided by cos A by 2 cos B by 2. So here cos A by 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos B by 2 get cancelled. We will get 2 2s are 4, 4 into R, remaining sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. 4R into sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 means what? Small r. Therefore AB minus R1 R2 divided by R3 equal to R. Similarly we can prove that BC minus R2 R3 divided by R1 is equal to CA minus R3 R1 by R2, that is also equal to small r. Therefore conclusion step, AB minus R1 R2 divided by R3, which is equal to BC minus R2 R3 divided by R1. CA minus R3 R1 divided by R2 is also equal to R. Hence proved. Thank you all. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe.